ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक एस्टैब्लिश्ड वेटरन्स हैं फॉर्मेट के। दूसरी तरफ वो टीम जो इतना थ्रिल लेके आती है इस T20 फॉर्मेट में that you can expect anything from them, and you know no team can take them lightly now, especially since they have so much experience playing T20 cricket all over the world. But today it was India's might who outplayed Afghanistan in all departments, and of course made their journey ahead much easier by this convincing and compelling win over in Barbados. एक मज़ीद हम in depth look भी डालेंगे into what happened in the match, who were the key players. Of course हमारे panelists ने जो predictions की थी, I still have the scores written somewhere. I think I've lost them, but मैं वापस उनको मंगवाती हूँ because हमारे पैनलिस्ट ने भी बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग प्रेडिक्शंस किए थे right before we left for the game. But a lot in store for you today, so without wasting any more time, I'm going to quickly bring back all of my favorite people on this game, on his family. Aaron Holland, welcome back. Shoaib Akhtar, welcome back. Martin Guptill, Yunus Khan, Mohammad Hafiz, welcome back, all of you. What a game this was, and all of our predictions, especially about the runs being scored by India, somewhat came true. 180 on the board. Where will you start on this? Because a convincing show by India's batters, and thoda up and down raha, but in the end.
Where will you start the Indian history? Since late 90s, right? There were many greats. How did they start building up the whole process? How did they start building up the whole team? You know, the team is not only here. Good enough team, they are the bench strength. Look at the bench strength. People are dying to get in, but they can't. How did that happen? When we played against India, India was bogged down by us. Ask those people. We used to just run them down like there's no tomorrow. What happened to the process? What happened with the process? India has invested themselves into the system, brought back Surya Kumar Yadav, Pant, Kohli, Sharma. Before that was Sachin, Rahul, Lakshman, Ganguly. People make their teams, people make the systems and create the legends, and the people follows them. Today what happened? Who's Surya Kumar Yadav? He's not a captain of the team. He was playing like a captain of the team.
Yeah.
This is what is lacking is Pakistan. What is lacking is in Pakistan. So people take responsibility. Hey, listen, you can't do it. Virat Kohli, the greatest batsman ever of the history of cricket. Don't worry about it. I'll tell you how to do it. Happened. Gone. Off you go. Don't worry about it. We have Hardik Pandya, bowling all-rounder. जब bowling all-rounder हमारे पास रज़ाक होता था, अज़हर होता था, हफीज़ होता था, शाहिद होता था, सब करते थे. There's a bowling all-rounder. People are there. You just make teams. This is what happens. Ruthless performance by India and clinical finish. I still believe that India was about at least 30 runs.
Yeah.
Had Rohit Sharma stayed there for a couple of more minutes, or Rishabh Pant stayed there for another 2-3 hours, they would have get around 220. I'm done with my answer within 2 minutes, please.
Wonderful. Short, crisp, and super fast, just like his bowling. Thank you so much. Marty, what?
But one last thing. Hats off to Afghanistan. You guys are brilliant. My full support to you, Afghanistan. Have raised a bar. There is no tomorrow. Pakistan is not in the Super 8. You guys are. Well done. Keep going. आप बड़ी टीमों को फैंटा लगाएंगे. Well done.
Yeah, they fought valiantly, and Rashid Khan had some real moments of brilliance with his captaincy.
Yeah.
They bowled really well in the
100%.
first innings, as you said, restricting India really to what could have been a much larger total. Led from the front with a beautiful performance with the ball. Fazal Haq Farooqi was great once again. Martin, where did Afghanistan lose their way though for you? In that run chase, it kind of just felt like there wasn't a clear-cut plan once Gurbaz got out.
Yeah, I thought he was a little bit reckless, to be honest, trying to take Bumrah down so early. Sort of threw his wicket away really. Just didn't take the time to sort of get in and build a partnership.
Have a look at the best bowler.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, he played a beautiful shot off Arshdeep Singh in the first over, using his feet down the track. But
13 runs off the first over.
If you look at it here, the chase, partnership of 13, 10, 0, 44, 4, 30 something in there. You know, they just never got a big partnership to set the innings up. Where if you look at India, you know, they had a 43-run partnership in 4.1 overs. They had a 28-run partnership in 2.2, a 60-run partnership in 6.1 overs. Really set the innings up to get to that 180 mark, and it just proved too much. They were just too good.
They hunted in pairs, Roha.
फॉर श्योर. यूनुस खान, व्हाट वाज योर टेक अवे? क्योंकि हमने रन्स के बारे में बात की थी और वहाँ पे जो जैसे शुएब कह रहे थे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हर बैटर ने शो की. सूर्य कुमार यादव ने भी पोस्ट मैच इंटरव्यू में यही कहा कि हमें अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का पता था एंड वी प्लेड लाइक यू नो दैट इन अ मैच्योर वे, जिससे जो हमारे से एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी. बट व्हाट वर योर की टेक अवेज फ्रॉम इंडियाज बैटिंग? डू यू आल्सो एग्री दे वर अ बिट शॉर्ट ऑन द रन्स?
इंडिया की बात करूंगा तो देखें, ठीक है उनके पास रोहित शर्मा है, विराट कोहली, लेकिन आपको जब आप बड़े गेम्स के लिए जाते हैं, बड़े इवेंट्स के लिए जाते हैं, तो एक दो प्लेयर्स नहीं होने चाहिए आपके पास. यही बैटिंग में है, यही बॉलिंग में है. हम अगर उनकी बात करें तो उनके पास एक ऐसी बैटिंग लाइन है जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेच्योरनेस नज़र आ रही है, और बॉलिंग में भी एग्जैक्टली ऐसा ही है. मेरे ख्याल से एक फुल इनकी टीम है जो कि वो कहते हैं ना कि इंग्रेडिएंट्स सारे उनके पास मौजूद है. और अगर आप
यूनुस बनाता कौन?
नहीं देखिए, वही वाली बात जो आप पहले कर रहे थे, जो बीच में कमर्शियल वो आ गया था कि हम टॉस पे चले गए थे. एक पॉइंट जो बड़ा हमने अच्छे रेस किया था कि टीमें बनती कैसे हैं.
हाँ,
टीमें बनती इस तरह है कि इस तरह टीमें नहीं बनती कि आप सबको निकाल लें या सबको ले आएं. हाँ, अगर आज विराट कोहली की बात करते हैं तो विराट कोहली के सामने कौन थे?
सचिन.
शुएब अख्तर के सामने कौन थे जब शुएब अख्तर टीम में आए थे? यूनुस खान जब आए थे तो कौन थे सामने? सईद अनवर. तो देखिए, ये आपको इस तरह करना होता है. फॉर सम हाउ हम डिटेल में नहीं जाएंगे तो फिर थोड़ा पर्सनल हो जाएगा कि किस तरह फिर निकाले गए, और वो फिर वही एक वही दोबारा डिबेट शुरू हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं. देखिए, आप टीम में प्लेयर्स रखें, वो प्लेयर रखें, वो सीनियर रखें जो कि रोल मॉडल्स हों, और फिर उसके बाद फिर यंगस्टर बनते हैं. आज अगर हम अपने टीम की बात करें, हमारे पास यंगस्टर नहीं है, हमारे पास क्योंकि उनके सामने है ही कोई नहीं. तो देखिए, इस तरह टीमें बनती जैसे अभी हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं. और टीम अफगानिस्तान की बात करूँगा तो उनके पास कोई प्लान नज़र नहीं आ रहा था. देखिए, आपको जब चेस करना होता है ना, देखिए एक चेस करने में और पोस्ट करने में फ़र्क है. पोस्ट आप करें, ठीक है. आप अगर हम टीम इंडिया की बात करें तो वहाँ भी 40 आवर्स की एक पार्टनरशिप है, फिर 60 आवर्स की एक पार्टनरशिप है. ज़्यादा पार्टनरशिप नहीं है, लेकिन ये आप ठीक है, एक्सेप्टेबल है जब आप पोस्ट कर रहे हो. लेकिन जब आप चेस कर रहे हो तो उसमें ये नहीं हो सकता कि आप सभी एक तरीके से खेलें. किसी एक दो बैटर्स को जाके टिल एंड तक खेलना होता है. बेशक ये हार जाते हैं, लेकिन ये 47 से नहीं हार सकते थे. ये हार जाते, जैसे यूएस हारा 18 रन से हार गए. तो मेरे ख्याल से ये टीम अफगानिस्तान इससे अच्छी टीम है और वो लर्न करे और आगे जा रहे हैं.
हुआ है उनके ओपनिंग पेयर को हमने बार-बार इस वर्ल्ड कप में देखा है स्टिचिंग दो
execute his skills. So I'm really impressed with the knock he played today. The most impressive part was he took on straight away to the main bowler of Afghanistan. Rashid was getting wickets. He straight away attacked on him, as I said earlier. To tackle any quality spinner, you need to have attacking option against him. Once he started playing that, he looks like a different batsman. So I think, to me, the way he batted, he makes sure that India should manage to get that total on the board where their bowling can defend it. So I think all credit goes to Surya Kumar Yadav.